In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Binance wallet address for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. For more information on Binance, or for a written step-by-step guide, please check out everybethelps.co.uk. If you're new to Binance and the world of crypto, specific tasks can be confusing or daunting. For example, if you're looking to send or receive crypto to Binance Exchange, you'll first need to find your wallet address. It's essential to choose the correct wallet address and the right network, as if you make a mistake, you do risk losing your funds. So what is a cryptocurrency wallet address? Well, a wallet address is a string of characters used to send and receive cryptocurrency. Similar to an address in the real world, each address is unique, and it also varies in terms of characters, numbers, and length. If you want to send cryptocurrency to a wallet, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet address to send your funds to. Each cryptocurrency will have a different wallet address, plus this might also vary depending on the network or the blockchain that you're sending your funds on. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, you'll need to find your Bitcoin address to send to. In the world of crypto, transactions are non-retractable, so if you send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, you will risk losing your funds. Therefore, it's crucial to find the correct wallet address for your deposit. So let's see how we can find our wallet address on Binance now. First, you'll need to log into Binance. Then choose Wallet from the top menu button, and then Fiat and Spot, which is for deposits and withdrawals. Next, choose Deposit from the top of the screen. If you're on the Deposit Fiat screen, you'll then need to choose Deposit Cryptocurrency in the top right. Then from the coin drop-down, search the coin name and then select it from the list. Then in this example, I'll select Bitcoin. There'll then be a network drop-down. Some cryptocurrencies can be transferred on multiple networks or blockchains. If this is the case, you will have the options available from the drop-down. To choose the correct network, you must check which network you're sending your tokens on. If the network is incorrectly selected, you will risk losing your crypto. Once you've selected your network, and in this example I'll choose the Bitcoin network, you'll be presented with your Binance wallet address for Bitcoin. And this is the address for the specific crypto and the network that you've chosen. And you'll need to copy the address by clicking onto the copy icon to the right of the address. Or alternatively, you can use the QR code, which contains your address, and that can be scanned using a mobile device. So as you can see, finding your Binance wallet address is pretty straightforward. The most important thing is not to rush and to make sure that you choose the right wallet for the token that you want to send or receive. We'd also recommend sending across a test amount first, especially when the network fees are low. Plus try copying and pasting the wallet address or using a QR code. Once you've pasted the address, double check the first 3 letters and the last 3, and possibly also the middle 3 letters, just to ensure that the address is complete and correct. If you want to find your wallet address for any other type of cryptocurrency or stablecoin, you can simply search from the coin drop-down list. Select the network that you're sending your crypto on, and copy or scan the associated address. If you haven't deposited the crypto before, you might receive the below, and therefore you may need to request or get address. You'll also find that some addresses require a memo, which essentially helps to map your transaction. If you miss the memo, again you will risk losing your funds. So you'll need to perform an extra step after you copy or scan the wallet address. And again you can copy or scan the memo too, just to ensure that you've correctly entered this. And as it states, you should only send the specific type of crypto that you've selected to the address that's shown. But that completes how you can find your Binance wallet address. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybethelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.